Hi Zimbabwe, this is Gibbs Dube in the program Zimbabwe Today as Topani. I'm in South Carolina here where many people are expecting the solar eclipse tomorrow. So I'm talking to as many people as possible so that we can, learn something out of this. But I'm seeing a lot of excitement, among Americans because this is a zone where there will be a total solar eclipse. And one of the gentlemen here is going to introduce himself to you so that you know who he is and why he's waiting for this kind of solar eclipse. Hi.
Hi.
What is your name?
Quincy Hunter.
Quincy, how are you?
I'm doing good.
So you're waiting for the solar eclipse, right?
Yes.
Excited, not excited, happy, not happy?
I say a little excited and I say happy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Why?
Never seen one, live or in person, and it's a lot of people coming here to see it. It looks like, yeah. So I'm pretty excited about it.
Is it not frightening? Like it's gonna be dark.
I don't know, because some people make it seem like it's only gonna be dark for just like 3 minutes or something, and then I've heard other people saying other stuff about it means other stuff and stuff like that. So I'm guessing it's probably just gonna be dark during the day for about 3 minutes. That's what I'm guessing.
Is it not scary?
A little bit, yeah, a little bit, because I've never been through one, so. But then again, I guess they had one a long time ago. They made it through, so I guess it's not too bad. I guess.
Yeah.
But I don't know if it means anything else though. So.
So where are you gonna be? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I'll be at work.
You won't go out and just watch and?
Oh yeah. I'm definitely gonna try to find a parking lot or something to watch it in.
Do you have any classes for that?
Yes.
You bought them?
Yes.
That ISO kind of.
Yeah, the ISO certified. Yeah.
Just like those. Can I show the public? Maybe people want to see them.
Oh, okay.
Exactly that?
Yeah, and they got that little
thing there.
The logo, yeah.
What have you been told about such some classes?
That they're supposed to, you're supposed to be able to look at the eclipse with it without damaging your eyes. But I also have told that they got like a lot of fake ones on the market or something like that that don't. They look like they would do the job, but they don't though. So I just try to go by the NASA website and pick the ones that's got.
Oh, so you got yours from NASA?
Oh no, they got on their website which ones they recommend that they endorse, that they were certified.
Okay, so you're reading a lot.
Right.